In this video, I'll show you how to fix your HDMI connection problems on your LG TV. I have a few tips to show you, so let's get started with the easiest one. You need to unplug each HDMI devices from the back of your LG TV and then unplug the TV from the wall socket during 5 minutes. Then, in the meanwhile, find the power button. Sometimes it's located under the TV or on the back of it, and press on that button during 30 seconds. When the time has passed, you can plug back your TV into the wall socket, and then plug back each HDMI devices one by one. This usually solves many problems on your LG TV, so hopefully you'll be done after that. If not, I suggest that you try with another HDMI cable. With time, those cables go bad and they are not working properly. So I'm sure you're having another HDMI cable laying around. Take it and try it instead of the one that you're currently using. I'll also put a link in the description if you want to get a brand new one from Amazon. Sometimes the problem is not your LG TV, sometimes it's just the cable, and this is a very easy way to know if that's the case. Another solution is to press with your finger on the HDMI ports of your LG TV. Press firmly on them because sometimes they get disconnected from the motherboard. Apply some pressure with your thumb, I think it's the easiest way, many times, really push them. And then even when you try to connect your HDMI cable to your LG TV, just push with this cable a bit more than usual to make this connection snug. Another thing that you can check is that you have selected the right HDMI port. So on the back of your TV, each HDMI ports have a number, 1, 2, or 3. Your device is connected in one of them. On your remote control, choose the input button that is on the top right. It looks like the one that you're seeing on the screen. Press on it and then select HDMI 1, 2, or 3 depending in which one your device is connected. This way you're sure that you selected the right source. Finally, you can also factory reset your LG TV in case you want to start fresh. On the remote control, press the small gear icon. Then go down to all settings, select general, and finally select reset to initial settings. Sometimes it will ask you for a password. If you didn't change it yourself, it should be 0000 or 1234 or 12345 depending. I hope one of these tricks help you. Please leave a comment down below telling me which of them worked. And if you have other ones, again, type them down below. Leave a like and I will see you in the next one.